Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will see that how we can incorporate our JavaScript code into HTML page. So for that, we need to use a tag which is called the script tag. So whatever you are writing inside this script tag, that is a JavaScript code. If you want to explicitly mentioning that this is a JavaScript tag, then you can use type equals to and text slash JavaScript. But it is not required. But if some browser which is not able to recognize this is a JavaScript code, then you can explicitly mention that this is a JavaScript code. Okay. But as I mentioned, it is not required for the major browsers like Chrome, Edge, etc. So now I'm removing this script tag here. First, I will show you how you can use the inline JavaScript code. For example, I have a button. Okay. In this button, what I want to do when I click on this button, so on click is an event. What I want to do, I want to call some JavaScript code. Say an example, if I say alert and I'll say hello world. Oh, sorry, something happened wrong. So here I'll say hello and world, right? So this is basically happening when I click on this button and I will say show message, this button name. So this is inline uh, code of Java. When I clicking on this button, then it will show this alert message. So let us check. So I'm opening the page. Okay. So okay, so it has opened this page. Now when I click on this show message, so see, it is saying hello world. So this pop-up is coming because I have written on click event of this button that it will show the alert message. So this is called inline. Second is called internal. So in internal, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write a script tag inside my, say an example, head tag. So you can put JavaScript code into your body tag or head tag, right? So here I'm writing the script tag. Here I'm creating one function and it is showing this code automatically because I have used GitHub Copilot. Okay, how to configure this, that I will show you in the lecture when we configure our Visual Studio Code for JavaScript. Okay, so here I'm just writing a function which is the show alert function, and it will print hello. I'll say JavaScript. Okay, so this function I want to call, right, when I click on this particular button. So what you will do here, you can simply say on click, I want to call this show alert function. Okay, so now when I click on this uh, button, it will call this method which is saying JavaScript. So I will save it and I'll go here. And when I click on this, see it is printing hello JavaScript. So, so you can write a script tag within head, or you can write it inside the body also. Another way is that you can write this code into a JavaScript file, which is called the external JavaScript. So what I'm going to do, I'm just clicking on this new file and I will call it index.js file. Okay. In this index.js file, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write this function. So I will cut it from here and I will put it here. So this function is now in the index.js file. Now I will go to this index.html. Now I will include this file into my script tag. So I will say script. So I'll say script, right? And I need to put the source. equals to, and you need to give the path. So what is the path? Path is index.js file, right? So now here what I have done, I have put the code into index.js file. You can write plenty of code, whatever you think that it is required for your program. You just put it into separate file. It could be one file, it could be multiple files. So whatever the file you want to include, you just add those script tag. Like if you want to add multiple, so you say script src and another JS file. So now this should execute because this function definition is here in the index.js, and I'm including this file into my script tag. So I will go here, and if I refresh this again and if I click, see it is saying JavaScript. Now to make little bit different, so I will just put here hello and external JavaScript. Okay, so that the message will be different. So if I go here and click on this and see, it is saying hello external JavaScript, right? So this way you can add your JavaScript code into your HTML. I hope you understand this concept. See you in the next lecture. Till then, bye bye.